When it comes to booking your flights and arranging to come to EHRA, there are 2 airports in Namibia that you can choose from, Walvis Bay or Windhoek. Walvis Bay is just down the road from Swakopmund, where we are now, and it's just a 30-minute taxi journey. Windhoek is about a 4 to 5 hour journey away, but it's very easy, very reliable service, and it shouldn't put you off. Those flights tend to be a bit cheaper. So all you need to do is give us your flight details, and we have a company that we work with. They'll pick you up at the airport with a sign with your name on, and you will get dropped off at the accommodation in Swakopmund.
So everybody arrived in Swakopmund for a briefing on Sunday evening at 6:30.
So Chris kind of just told us what the next 2 weeks is going to be about. And he was super passionate about everything and kind of just told us what to bring, what the weather's going to be like, and just kind of what our day-to-day activities will be.
And then Monday morning we all packed up and drove our 4 hours up to beautiful Base Camp.
Hello, friends!